Yoga can change my feelings because when I'm mad, it can always work by you take lots of breaths and then it's like it changes your feeling and you start to talk slowly instead of really fast and out of control. When you're so mad or you need a little break, you could always take 3 times deep breaths in a yoga pose and then you could come back and tell them I can do it now because I relaxed and all the madness went out of my body.
Would you be willing to show me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like doing it by standing up like this and I take 1 deep breath. And then I do. And I do it 3 times. Yoga, it pops out of my mind because it's the first thing I already know that I can do, and I do really good yoga poses. Yoga is my favorite. Top secret. Yoga is my top secret. I love yoga and a mí me gusta yoga and yoga es 大好きです。I got it all.